What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete GCash account. Now you might be wondering, how do you exactly delete your GCash account here? Well, this one is pretty easy. So first things first is you want to go and open up your GCash app here and log in into your account. Now, in this case, in order for you to delete your account, you need to access your profile. So at the bottom right of your screen, you want to go and just press on the profile icon that you see there. And once you pressed on it, this is what you'll be seeing. Now, instead of going to settings or going to help here, what you just need to do is you just need to click on your name at the very top. As you can see, there's an arrow next to it as well, so just press on it. Now, once you click or press on it, this is what you'll be seeing, your full account information. Now, this is where your information or sensitive information is stored, but also the delete account option as well. Well, in this case, you just need to click on delete account and just confirm a few things, and you should be able to delete your account in this page. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.